Items on lesson pages can be grouped into visually distinct areas called sections. Sections can be used to separate or highlight text and activities on a lesson page. Sections can also be collapsible. In this example, a text box with a heading and icon are intended to draw focus to an important assignment linked beneath it. One way to add emphasis to an area on a lesson page is to set a color scheme. To do so, the content needs to be separated into its own section using breaks. To add a break above an existing item, hover over the item, click the plus button to the right, and select an option in the Layout Elements section. Horizontal breaks are the most common and recommended option. To adjust a section, click the Section Properties button, which looks like a cogwheel icon, at the top left. If desired, enter a section title. Be aware that section titles are exclusively formatted as Heading 3, which has implications for accessibility. For more details about headings and accessibility, refer to the PLU knowledge base. To change the color scheme, click the Section and Heading Color Scheme dropdown. For background color, select one of the legacy options at the bottom of the menu. The other color scheme options will add a border around the section, as well as a background color for the section title. When done, click Save. Next, add another horizontal break above the next item on the page. This will isolate the section from the rest of the content below it. To make a section collapsible, click its Section Properties button, and click the Collapsible checkbox. Be aware that section titles are required for collapsibles, and only horizontal section breaks can be converted into a collapsible section. If desired, check the Start Closed option. We also don't recommend using a legacy color scheme for a collapsible section. When done, click Save. To expand a collapsed section, click its section title. To close it, click the title again. Vertical breaks create columns on a page, such as to add supplemental materials or information beside related content. However, be aware that vertical breaks will behave as horizontal breaks on mobile devices, and may not display as intended. Another risk with vertical breaks is the potential for large empty spaces, specifically if one column has significantly more content than the other. More information about the Lessons tool can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU knowledge base.